Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about enumeration in Java. We will explain what an enum is and its differences from a class. Also how to create one using enums inside and outside a class. And lastly, applying them in switch statements and displaying all enums constants. Let's get started. Hi again, I am Yuri Medina and I will explain what is enumeration. An enum is a special data type in Java used to represent a fixed set of constants or values that do not change. The word enum is short for enumeration, meaning specifically listed. In Java, you define an enum by using the enum word. Enums are used when there are fixed values or values that do not change, like days of the week, months of the year, and also compass directions. These are all fixed values, making them perfect for enums. They make code more readable and prevent errors.
Hello, my name is Justin J. Yagpada, and today I will discuss what is the difference of an enum in class. So, sasabihin ko lang yung difference ng enum, hindi pareha, hindi independent, okay? So, an enum can just like a class, have attributes and methods. And the only difference then is that enum constant are public, static, and final. And this is unchangeable, cannot be overridden. So, hindi siya pareho ng class doon kasi na unchangeable ang ating class. So, ang enum cannot be used to create objects and it cannot be extend other classes. But, it can implement interfaces. So, yun yung maganda sa kanya. At alam niyo ba na mayroong advantage ang ating enum? So, ang advantage niya is, ito ay na papa-improve niya readability, type safety, and facilitating switch statement. So, sa type safety, ayun nga yung lagi nating nagiging problema yung nagsusulat tayo ng code. So, mas madali sa inyo kapag nag-implement ka lang. So, yun lang. Thank you.
To create enum, we need to use enum instead of class. As you can see, sa example natin sa baba, public, then enum, tapos yung pangalan natin which is day. Pwede kayong gumamit ng iba, like gusto nyo game level, tapos yung constant natin is easy, medium, hard. Yan. In Eclipse, we can also create enum by right-clicking on the package na gusto nating pag-createan. Then, click enum. Lagay lang tayo ng constant example natin, days of the week. And Sunday, Monday, at separate lang natin using comma. In accessing enum, we use .tooldoc, for example, day, yung pangalan ng enum natin, tapos lagyan natin ng today equals day kung anong gusto nating palabasin, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then close lang natin in semicolon. Then, ayun, meron na tayong enum.
Good day, I'm Liancardo Bibalian, and today I will explain the difference between an enum inside and outside a class in Java. Enum inside a class, here the label enum is declared inside the main class, making it an inner enum. This means it is only accessible within main and cannot be used by other classes directly. The main method works similarly by assigning labels medium to a variable and printing it. Enum outside a class. This approach, the label enum is defined separately from the main class. This means it exists independently and can be accessed from any other class in the program. This is useful when multiple classes need to use the same enum. The main method assigns label medium to a variable and print it.
Hello everyone, and sa video na to is ituturo ko sa inyo yung enum in a switch statement. So, yung sa PPT natin, yung first line natin is yung enum type natin, which is yung level, and meron siyang tatlong value, which is yung low, medium, and high. And sa baba na itong public class main natin, meron tayong nilagay na yung enum type natin, level, and yung naglagay tayo ng value, no, yung variable niya pala, no, sorry, and yung naglagay tayo dito ng assign value niya, which is yung high. And sa baba na ito is yung switch statement natin, and nilagay lang natin dito yung variable natin, no, na level. So sa baba na ito is yung case low, and mag-system output siya ng low level, and yung case medium naman mag-system output lang siya ng medium level. And yung the last one is yung case high, no, mag-system output lang din siya ng high level. So bakit nga ba tayo naglalagay ng break? Ano bang silbi ng break na yan? So kung wala kasi break, no, wala yan, kahit maglagay tayo ng value natin dito, kahit ano yan, ang ipiprint yan is low level, medium level, and high level. Yung purpose kasi ng break natin is para mahinto agad yung execution ng code natin. For example, itong high, pinalitan ko ng low, no? Ito, pinalitan ko yung high natin ng low. Dahil low yung nilagay ko dito, ang magiging output natin is yung low level. And dahil nga low level and naglagay tayo ng break, hindi na masasama yung mga nasa baba na code, hindi na mag-output. Ang i-output niya na lang is yung low level, and hindi niya nababasahin yung nasa babang code. And ganun lang.
So hello everyone, the next is, as you can see in my PPT, ang gagawin naman natin code ngayon is displaying all enum constants. Sa umpisa is enum level, tapos lalagay mo yung mga variable, which is low, medium, high. Tapos next is public class main, tapos public static void main, parenthesis, tapos string, tapos args. Tapos para naman lalagay mo na yung low, medium, high. Ito na yan. For level, may var level plus I dot values, tapos parenthesis, tapos next is semicolon. So lalagay mo na ngayon ang output niya, system.out print my var, para ma-input niya yung nakalagay dun sa my var. Next is ito na yung output niya, low, medium,